What if your books could come alive and learning became an experience, not just a lesson?
Hello and welcome. If you're a preschool or playschool educator, curriculum designer, or primary school teacher, with Wonderly AR's AR-enabled education platform, you can create your own AR-powered books. With Opportunities, educators can add experiential learning and even earn extra income, while preschools can boost their brand value. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create an AR-enabled book.
Ever imagined creating an interactive AR book without writing a single line of code? Welcome to Thridify, where stories don't just stay on pages, they come alive. Are you a freelance educator who wants to engage their students during online classes? Or a preschool teacher or a primary school teacher who wants to upskill themselves to be a digital learning expert or AR education expert? Let's get started. Open your browser and search for book.thridify.com. Register or sign in with your email. This is your dashboard, the space where your interactive books are built. On the left side of the dashboard, click on Add Book. Enter your book name. I'm naming mine Animal Book. Once done, simply click Confirm Book Name. Now let's organize our content. Click on Add Category. These are your sections or chapters. Tap the edit icon and name your category. I'll call this one Animals and confirm it by clicking the tick icon. This is where the magic begins. From the left panel, you can browse or search for 3D models. I'm searching for elephant, then simply drag and drop the model into the category. Name the model, in this case, elephant. Now add your learning audio. Under text for speech generation, type anything you want the model to say. Example: look, it's an elephant, big and gray with a long trunk that sprays. This audio can be generated automatically, no voice recording needed. And if you want a more personal touch, you can record your own voice or upload an audio file. Just drag and drop, preview it.
Look, it's an elephant, big and gray, with a long trunk that's...
And hit Save. Let's add another animal using the same simple process. I'm adding a duck. Drag, drop, name it, and add your speech text or audio.
See the duck, it swims and quacks, flapping wings and splashing back.
Once all your models are added, click on Create Book. Then hit Publish. And just like that, your interactive AR book is live. Finally, head back to the dashboard, select your newly created book, and generate licenses from here, making it ready to share, scale, and use. And that's how easy it is to build immersive learning experiences with Thridify. No coding, no complex tools, just stories, interaction, and learning. Reimagined.